tail.
All right, everyone, shut up. Let's try to figure out where we are.
Hello?
We are so sorry. We didn't mean to take it. We only meant to borrow it. We meant to give it back, I promise.
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm Kirsten.
Where are we?
This is the village of Solvang.
Frank, you brought us to the wrong place.
It's not my fault! Thor is the only one that knows how to work this thing. I'm still trying to figure it out.
Did you say Thor?
Yes. Do you know him?
The god of thunder?
That's right, although I don't think he'll be rolling across the skies tonight, eh?
What do you mean?
You could say we've stolen his thunder.
Wait, you don't mean to say that the hammer is Mjolnir?
You know its name?
If it's Thor's hammer, of course I know its name.
She knows too much. She must be working for them.
For who?
Ah! They found us! Run! Frank, use the hammer.
I'm trying, but if I don't do it right, we can end up anywhere.
Just open the door. It doesn't matter where.
What's going on?
You better hide. We're coming.
Wait for me!
Ah! I told you you weren't fast enough.
Yes, yes. Wolfgang told me.
Thor, how could you be so careless?
Yes, my son, how could you be so careless?
Odin, don't throw the blame on him.
Yes, dear.